Hello everyone, my name is Nnamdi, and I am the founder of OBINexus and its services. I want to just show you a tool I'm working on. I've been working on called Node Zero. Node Zero is a ZKP implementation of a zero knowledge proof system. Unlike traditional systems, unlike traditional systems. It's not ZK. It doesn't use zk-SNARKs or it uses zk-SNARKs, but it's not really a zk-SNARK algorithm. It's its own package. Node Zero is its own zero knowledge proof system. But it doesn't. It has no. You have trust in the system because it has no setup system involved in the whole ordeal. Two entities, Alice and Bob, can talk to each other without any overhead of the zero proof system getting hacked or getting intercepted or anything. Because in traditional ZKP systems, we have a setup system or trust system that is secured. But if the system gets hacked still, through some unknown means, creative algorithms, or anything, then all information is really disclosed. So Alice and Bob try to communicate, and Alice and Bob try to talk to each other on a network, insecure network, with a subsystem. If the subsystem gets hacked, or anyone can get access to the subsystem, they know everything that's going on. So that's the problem with the traditional algorithm. The trust system it's a although transfer system is using blockchain technology everywhere, it's a problem that I solved using the code I written in TypeScript and Node.js. I want to say to you that individuals can get it, get the right now at the Pay Store /OBINexus. You can get it. Individuals can buy it too, but then get a formal proof. My work a formal proof. To get the package, to get the full tool with the proof, my work proof to check it yourself that this works in theory and practice. You can go to the business. You have to buy it to the business. You have to have a business and buy it. Individuals can get a tool. It's cheaper to get a tool. Just get a tool. You can use it for authentication and authorization, or for blockchain security, or for blockchain ZKP proof, or even. But you can't. You will not. You can consume the API through JavaScript or TypeScript, but you will not get a rigorous mathematical proof that shows how it works in the theoretical aspect. So that's just how I work. That's how I've solved that problem. It's a ZKP. It's a ZKP works. Say I want to prove to someone. I want to prove to Bob identity. It's her Alice. One way of doing that is it's not to show. It should show a proof of that it's her before sending any identity information. So if Alice believes the proof, if Bob believes the proof, then we have a secure communication. We'll talk about mathematical proofs now. So that's what my implementation of ZKP is. Okay. So without further ado, let me show you how to use the code. Okay. Let me show you how to use the. I'm off again. No. Let me show you how to use the package.